When a client is involved in a serious wreck involving a semi or tractor trailer, the truth is the semi companies have a humongous amount of resources. So they can hire the best attorneys. And the attorneys they hire are attorneys who can actually go try cases. So the families and the victims of a truck wreck need to hire attorneys who are prepared to take the case all the way to trial if necessary. Our law firm is going to prepare every single case as if we're going to take it to trial. Nobody wants to walk into a courtroom. But the truth is, if you have a lawyer who can't or who doesn't, your family has no chance to get a fair resolution. You need to talk to these lawyers. You need to go interview them and ask them, when was the last time you walked into the courtroom? We don't look at it as a case. We look at it as people. Because God forbid we walk in and we lose. God forbid these folks don't get a fair resolution. And when you're sitting with these people, you know that someone has to fight for them. Someone has to take care of them. And our whole team is passionate about that. I want them to know that you and your team are the people who made our life now, as it exists, possible. There's no better feeling than to help people rise out of this destruction, this chaos, this horrible place that they're in. When we sit down with a new client and they've lost a loved one, it's impossible, at least for me and for our team, not to care, not to be passionate, not to look at these folks and say, it's my job to protect them now. I've got to make sure that these folks are taken care of for the rest of their lives.